Traders, we're seeing such uncertainty and contradiction in the markets that it's making for difficult trading conditions. So let's understand why. Welcome to Simply Forex. If you want to improve as a trader, then you're definitely in the right place. Each week, I'm going to give you easy to follow trade ideas, tips, and advice so you too can succeed at trading. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm going to give you all of my analysis and trade ideas for today. If that sounds like a plan, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash the like button. Shukran, mercy, dankashan, salamat. Right, so let's start with the two words that I'm focusing on, uncertainty and contradiction. And let's start with uncertainty because the dollar is that, right? It is uncertain. So if we look at the dollar index, right, this is not helping. So this tells us the state of the dollar, right? And if we just look at the weekly chart, which this is, right, we would say dollar strength. Okay, we're in an uptrend, right? Let's keep buying the dollar. So structurally and in terms of trend, we would say that. But then just look at these big bearish candles that keep coming into the market, right? We try to go higher, sellers bring it down, right? We go back to this level, sellers bring it down. So it's reached the level of uncertainty because we're in an uptrend, but we're getting selling candles. Okay, and that's what's leading to this uncertainty. It'll be interesting to see if price comes back down to this level again, if we get a bullish reaction, right? If we do, I think dollar strength is back. But right now, it's not. It's just very uncertain. Uptrend with bearish candles. And this is, typified by the pound US dollar. Right? Because if you look at the pound US dollar, if we look at the weekly chart, we're clearly in a downtrend, right? We're in a downtrend. We're at a nice area of what was support is now resistance, okay? We're getting nice bearish candles, bearish wicks, and that would suggest we can take price lower, back down to this 1.22, okay? Now, that would make sense, right? Now, if we look at the day chart, we're in an uptrend. And I remember talking about this yesterday, right? We're in an uptrend. We've got a nice bullish candle, bullish wick, and I think we can take price up to here, right? But there's not much room, but this 1.25 level. Now, you've got weekly telling me to sell, daily telling me to buy. So, like with the dollar index, we need to see what's going to happen at this level, right? If we get a break of this level, then it is US dollar weakness, and I will follow that weakness. If we get a big bearish reaction at this level, then price could well come down and we'll be following US dollar strength. But right now, it's not clear. It is uncertain, right? So for that reason, staying away from the US dollar. So the next word we were talking about was, contradictory information, right? And if we look at yen pairs, let's start with US dollar yen. Now, again, if we just looked at the US dollar yen day chart, right, we're in a downtrend and we're at a really nice level of value and resistance. Right, so US dollar yen, okay, we would suggest selling this. We're at a nice resistance level, both the moving average 20 and this grey zone. It'd be a good idea to sell this, right? But again, the problem here is we're in a downtrend, but look at these buyers, right? I'm just not going to sell that candle. It's too bullish. Another good example of this is pound yen, any yen pair, to be honest, guys, right? But again, right, we're in this daily downtrend. We've retraced to an area of resistance. Okay, potentially this is really good value to start selling. But I am not going to sell that candle. Let's pick another one. Let's just, because it's here, New Zealand yen. Right, this is at a really nice level. Yeah, we had this big level here. We just track price action. Right, we're in a downtrend, as are most of all of the yen pairs, really, except Aussie dollar yen. Yeah, so we're back up to a really nice area of resistance. This would be a nice area for looking for sells, but I'm just not going to, because of these bullish candles. I don't want to sell into that. So because of this uncertainty and, contradicting information on US dollar pairs and yen pairs, right, we're not left with much, right? And it's made it very difficult to find trades for today, okay? But I do have a couple of trades that I want to show you. And before I do, guys, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Also, guys, please come join our trading community, right? It's free. So come join our free Discord channel. You can talk to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, have a laugh, do what you like. So come join that, guys. Also, if you're interested in improving as a trader and learning how to analyze the charts like myself, then please visit our website, www.simply-forex.com. We've got the trading course, we've got the VIP Discord, and we've got my one-on-one mentoring program where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in any of those things, we are giving you 25% off any of our premium education trading at the moment. All right, so check it all out, guys. Let me know what you think. Right, the trade idea I am interested in is Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Okay, now if we look at the weekly chart, right, we are in an uptrend. Okay, we was in this downtrend. Okay, but now we're sort of, I wouldn't even say it broke before that, but we're clearly in an uptrend. Okay, we broke these highs with this candle here. Okay, these lows are holding and we're continuing to get higher highs. Right, we are in an uptrend. If we go to the day chart, clearly in an uptrend, right? We've got this big push up here, retrace, push up again, right? So higher highs, these lows are holding, right? So we've got all of this room to move into as well, back up to this 0.5800 psychological level. And if we look at the candles, right, pretty bullish, bullish, bullish. That is a bullish wick. I know it's a red candle, but that is bullish, right? So we're looking to buy up to that level. So if we drop down to the H4, where can we buy from? So yesterday, this level through here proved to be a good level again. So price could retrace all the way into here, and we look for a bullish reaction and we can start buying from here. Now, that might be a little unlikely because we've already had such a big push off of this level, right? Now, because of that, we can drop down to the H1. And H1 for me is in an uptrend. Okay, you can clearly see that. But we got this level here. So maybe if we get a break of this level here, we get a nice bullish candle, we can start buying Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Put our stops below here, take price higher. All right, so that is my first trade idea for today. My second trade idea, is oil, but there's no room really. But if you look at the weekly chart, oil has been tanking. See what I did there? Tanking oil. You're welcome. So oil has been tanking, right? Tanking, continuing to tank. Okay, so could price come all the way back down to this area of support again down here, right? So this 68 level may be a good level to aim for. And just look how bearish that is, guys. And then if you look at the day chart, right, downtrend. Okay, we're here. We pinpointed this as a nice area of resistance. We got a nice big bearish reaction, take price lower. The only problem is, guys, I'm normally aiming for the last day's low as my target. So there's not much room in there. Okay, but like I said, we could potentially come back down to this 68 level. So really, I want to retrace, guys. So will we get one? To be honest with you, it's looking unlikely. Look how much that is, dropping. And we had crude oil inventories that were worse than expected yesterday. But if we just get a retrace, back up into here, moving average 20 comes round, and we get a bearish reaction, I will start selling oil. If I don't get a retrace, I don't trade it because there's no value in me selling here, right? Where'd you put your stop? Up here? Right? There's no value in that. So I need a retrace before I start selling oil. All right. So guys, also, I'd really like to know what you're looking at today. So what trades are you looking at? Do you like my trade ideas? What do you think of yen? What do you think of US dollar? Please leave your thoughts and leave a comment below the vid. We love to hear from you guys, and I will get back to you with your comments. Also, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready for me. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you then.